Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your phone is unlocked, has Wi-Fi or mobile data, and at least 20% battery. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility or to Google Settings if accessibility is absent. You're beginning the setup now. Tap the search icon in Settings and type Voice or Voice Access to speed things up. This gets you directly to where controls live, so you can enable features without digging through menus. You'll enable voice access by tapping it and switching the toggle on. Grant microphone and accessibility permissions when prompted. Once enabled, make sure Display over Apps permission is allowed so voice commands work across apps. Next, train the voice model if the option appears. This improves recognition for your accent and ambient noise. If you prefer System Assistant control, enable Hey Google detection. Otherwise, use the voice access wait command. Make sure permissions show as active before moving on, because they are required for reliable. You'll finish by customizing commands and languages in voice access settings. Set shortcut keys, tweak sensitivity, and add preferred voices. Then test essential commands, say Open Chrome, scroll down, go back, and dictate a message to confirm everything responds. If recognition fails, retrain the voice model or toggle microphone and accessibility permissions off then on. This often clears hangs. Finally, reboot the phone if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.